Boom, 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 boom. Gonna shoot you right down. Right off of your feet.
The men's team is for real. We are back as good as we've ever been. You know, instead of being 3 deep, now we're 8, 10. We might even be 10 or 12 deep now.
Yeah, we're having a good year. We've won 1 tournament so far. Everyone has a good time when they're at the tournaments, and that makes us bowl even better together as a team.
So the guys are 16th, and the girls are 22nd.
This is the first time in a few years we've really had a really solid group of gentlemen.
There it is. That's pretty good right there.
They're able to really gel together pretty well and really score really well.
And we got a lot of young guys, so I think they're going to learn from the upperclassmen, and then maybe give the upperclassmen that last chance to do something and make it to nationals.
Jonathan does a pretty good job of bringing the team together.
Jonathan, it brings a lot of, veteran knowledge, leadership.
He needs 9 to tie and a strike to win.
There it is! We can make them better people and adults, and I think Jonathan is a perfect example of that. I mean, a bowler is the president of the student government. I think it's pretty cool. There you go.
Being in my position as SGA president, they are a source for me to hear about, well, how's this aspect of student life right now? How's that aspect?
I feel like the word is out there. People know that we're not just a club program. We're a top bowling program. So I think, from Wright State's perspective, it's just like the basketball team being good or the baseball team being good. I mean, we got a great program that's bringing kids to the school.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
We don't have a great team unless everybody's working together, talking with each other, communicating, and throwing some good shots down the lane.
Yeah.